So hi ma'am, how are
How are you?
you? Yeah, I'm fine ma'am.
I am
Thanks for asking. Okay. So
I am doing great. Thanks for asking.
okay, as we're meeting for the first time, so let's start with introduction. So could you introduce me yourself?
Yes, definitely. My name is Pooja Prabhakar. I am from Delhi. I have completed my graduation. I am mother of two kids. Simultaneously, I create my YouTube channel to practice my communication skill. And if you talk about my hobbies nowadays, my hobbies is learning English, and I have been learning this language for 5 months. That's all about me.
Okay, nice. So
It's
let me give you my introduction. So my name is
yes, yes,
Muleshwari
sure.
and I'm from Chhattisgarh state and I completed my study. And if I talk about my hobbies are dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And yeah, it's been a month. I'm also uploading some conversation videos on my YouTube channel. So recently I started. That's all about me.
Okay, so you are a student.
No, I completed my study. I'm preparing for some exams.
Okay. So are you preparing government exam?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay.
ma'am, like
That's
I watched yesterday your YouTube channel. It was really nice, and I saw you connecting with some people. Actually, I got to know about you from that one group. You sent the link. Then I searched about you. Then I texted you.
okay. Thank you so much. I just started my channel, create my channel only for practice communication skill. And I also uploaded a conversation video. And in my initially day, I learn story and I try to story in my own words, and then I uploaded on my channel. But nowadays, I interacted with people on Skype and upload conversation video.
Yeah, same thing what I do. Like it's been like one month before, like you can say, like it's not so long I'm making. So I just started, first I make a it's kind of blog in our farm. Then I thought, what should I make? Because I don't have any kind of experience talking in front of camera. So I thought I know a lot of stories, so I should try to explain the story. Then I was trying to explain the story. I think 10 something story I made. Then after that, I started this kind of conversation video.
Okay, that's great because when we create our channel, consistency is very important to learn this language. Okay,
Yeah, you're right, ma'am.
okay. So how is your day so far now?
Yeah, it's going well, ma'am. And actually, like before talking to you, I was feeling little bit like I have a little bit fever, but I'm not looking like that because I got ready. But I know I'm feeling some tired. But after talking to you, you are so energetic. So I also get some kind of energy, you can say. So I'm feeling happy now.
Okay, thank you for your good compliment. And my day is also going well, and it's been little bit busy. I just pick up my children from the school and made lunch for them, and very hot outside, just like it in May and June.
Yeah, I can
So
understand,
how's
ma'am.
weather your side?
Yeah, it's
How
same.
is weather your side?
Yeah, same weather is there.
Okay, okay. Okay, so you just mentioned you are preparing for government sector. So what kind of preparing you are doing?
Actually, ma'am, I'm not revealing that because I really like to I don't like to tell like before like like achieving that. It's kind of I don't know, but I don't used to tell whatever I'm doing after getting that only I just tell. So that's why
Okay,
I'm
it's
not
okay.
telling that.
Have you clear any exam?
I actually I could not, but I clear one exam of pre. Then mains I got good mark, but like I could not clear because of some marks. So yeah, but I think I was not
So
preparing for that exam. That's why I could not clear. But because of some mark, I just lost that.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I forget,
suppose
ma'am. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, ma'am.
okay, okay. So if you clear your government exam, will you called for an interview? So what kind of thing will you prepare focus on to clear your interview?
Related to my exams only. And yeah, I think I'm little bit confident to give some kind of interview because I have already given because I was doing private job. So then I don't know about that exam, because sometimes in exam, like if we don't have any experience of that government exam though, so that's why I don't have much knowledge about which kind of question they will exactly ask me. But like while giving some kind of like interview in private sector, I got mostly they ask about first about myself only. So that experience I have, and now I don't have fear to talk with people. So yeah, I'm
Like
little
formal
bit confident.
attire,
Yeah.
like in interview formal attire and avoid casual dress like jeans and t-shirt, maintain eye contact and confidently speak clearly. This I think these kind of things are necessary in interview. Okay, so
Mm,
you heard about what is the name, Divya Tanwar and Shruti Deshmukh, both are
yeah.
IS
Yes.
officers.
Yeah. Yeah, I know,
Yes,
I know.
you just told me you have preparing of government test, so I just remind both girl. She both are very, they both are very intelligent. Yes, I watch I
Yeah.
watch I watch a interview video, both of Divya Tanwar and Shruti Deshmukh, and I observe that they maintain good posture, eye contact, and speak clearly and very confidently, and answer all the question effectively.
Yeah, yeah, I have also watched video of them. I do watch that kind of video, and especially I do watch motivational videos too. Then I got to know about so many people how they are facing a problem and how they were overcome from that problem. So but I only watch in English because I really like to learn English. So that's why whatever I'm watching, I'm just watching in YouTube in only English. But if I talk about my study, then I'm from Hindi medium, and whatever books I'm studying, that is also like Hindi.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why I used to like to listen only English in YouTube if I get time for listening then.
But you are very good at English, so just tell me, when did you start your journey and how long have you been learning this language?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, it's a very long story. I got to know about one application in 2020. Okay, but because of my fear, I just because I found there a lot of people from all over the world. They were learning English, and I got some friend who knows Hindi. Because at that time I just install. I don't have any idea like how to talk with people, even a stranger. Because I got mobile at that time only. Then. Some friend try to encourage me to talk on call and learn English and do this kind of thing, but I just uninstall. And I also feel like what will my parents think if I will talk with a stranger. That much negative thinking I had. So like for 1 year I totally stopped, but I could not stop again because sometimes I was listening. But after 1 year, like 2021, I started learning English. See it again. I got interest in 2020, but I started in 2021. So at that time, I installed that application. I found the same friends. Then they got surprised, like how you got this kind of confidence. Then I said, this time I decided that I will learn anyhow. Then they started helping me. I was using Hindi a lot, like in the beginning, so much irritating for the people who knows like English, and they listen Hindi. But they were not like that. I really got very good friend. They were helping me a lot. And I also like doing really hard. I used to listen whenever at that time I was in home, so I was going farm. So while doing work, while cooking, while eating, every time I became mad, like listening, listening, like listening. Every time I was listening. Then I used to listen some kind of simple stories. like story, fairy tales, and simple sentences, conversation videos, and motivational videos, spiritual videos of Swami Mukundanandas, and especially like fairy tales. So because I like stories, and in story I was getting different vocabulary and how to explain the things. Like I was learning from those story, and in that application in Instamatch, like different people were connecting each and every time. So I thought to explain the same story to many people until I learned those story, how to explain. So this kind of things I was doing. So later I started explaining motivational videos and whatever movies, like about myself, whatever I was like learning from YouTube, I was just explaining. So and I got to know about one Telegram. So in Telegram, there were some groups, and people were very serious. They were they were coming on a particular time with picture discussion and topic. So like same topic and same pictures, everyone was describing. So I also got a lot of idea from them, because same topics I was getting different view from each people. So it was helping me a lot, and it was like increasing my thinking power. And
Yeah.
later I made my own private group there. Then I added some kind of serious person, and we were like discussing on particular time daily storytelling, chain speaking, different topic, and so many things, like whatever I was learning from YouTube, I was applying on myself. So I was enjoying those moments. Like I never think like I'm doing hard, I'm doing this, like that. I was really so much happy, and I was making some kind of like serious friend, and who were very serious and come on particular time, and they should be very punctual, because I'm very punctual. And I like those kind of people. So I got some friends, and like we used to do practice on daily basis, at least 30 minutes, like 1 hour, like that. And like that's how I learned. I was mostly investing like my time in only English when I was learning. But then I learned 1.5 years, I was able to communicate with people. But then I totally stopped. I came back city, and I started doing job and started preparing for exams. And then 2020 June I came here, and then I totally left because I was not getting times, and that's why I lost my confidence, and I lose my fluency too. I lost my fluency. Then I, like before 1 month, like I thought I should again work on my skill, because while doing job I was people were knowing me because of my English, that this girl from village and she learned English by herself, like that kind of compliment I was getting. And it was really, I was so happy. And everyone, mostly people were knowing me because of English. So